Today I will talk about Kamma in Buddhism. Kamma in Buddhism is the result of the past and present actions by physical action, verbal action, and mental action that we have done. People in this world are doing Kamma endlessly. Then we should learn and understand the principle of Kamma. A circle of Kamma is first start with passion or desire in our mind. Then the mind turn order action with body action, verbal action or mental action. With the result of action by physical, by verbal or speech or mentally. Either way, the consequence of that action will take place. The result of our own action will result. It is a circle like this happen again and again. That's why it's necessary and important that we have to know and understand in the circle of Kamma so that we can avoid doing the bad thing in our lives. We learn that we will be able to control our action by spend our life with consciousness and mindfulness to control our inner desires until having consideration in order to act or doing in the good deed for our life in order to receive the good result that we have already done. Buddhism uses the principle of morality of precept in order to control the matter of body, action and speech or verbal action, and use meditation practice to control the matter of the mind. So we should start with at least 5 precepts or 5 morality to control our body and verbal or speech control. The 5 precepts in Buddhism, which consist of number 1, abstain from killing. Number 2, abstain from stealing. Number 3, abstain from sexual misconduct. Number 4, abstain from telling lies. Number 5, abstain from intoxicant, including drug and gambling. When we have the complete morality or precept to avoid doing wrong into the body and our verbal speech, then we can go into meditate. Initially, when our body and verbal or speech were fully controlled by the precept or morality, and the next step, we go into the matter of the mind. We look at the mind by using our consciousness or mindfulness to gain the peace and purity. When the mind is calm and stable, wisdom will automatically arise in our mind. The wisdom that we will gain from this meditation will be able to enable us to understand the nature of reality in ourselves and within our mind. The resulting wisdom will see the truth of everything in this world in the principle of the law of nature, anicca, dukkha and anatta. To understand that everything in this world under the law of nature, we will understand with our own experience to practice meditation until our wisdom show to understand the truth. Your ego will be less, and we can conclude that the principle of Buddhist practice are 3 steps, including the morality or the precept, the meditation and the wisdom. So I hope that you will take advantage of your knowledge of Kamma that you received today in order to develop yourselves so that you can get the best result in your lives. Good luck and goodbye.